Hi foodies, making plantain and beef stir fry in this episode. I seasoned some shredded beef with Cam APS and some salt, set aside for 2 hours to marinate. Then I fry some plantain until it's golden brown. Looks pretty, right? Yeah, I know, thank you. I pour in some vegetable oil in a pot, add the marinated beef, stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I add some red chopped onion, fresh chili, stir fry again. Add some vegetables, which I call the traffic light. Once you have the greens, the yellow and the red, you're good to go. Add the fried plantain, give it a good mix, and it's ready. Serve and enjoy as always. Thanks for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I'm Chef Anya Michael. If it tastes good, what are you waiting for? Eat it.